Well, we moved into the hay barley, and I don't know, there's places it's hitting that push bar. It's just barely touching it now, and then there's places that it is not, of course. Well, I don't know, these windrows look pretty good though. We'll see. Maybe, gosh, I was hoping for 3 bales an acre on my barley. I don't know if I'll get it. But then we got these grass spots, and I did spray for grass in barley. You can actually do that, but it still showed up. So it's all going for hay anyway. So then I'm not as concerned. I guess if I was going to harvest this, it does look pretty darn good. But as far as hay goes, it's thick, but it's just not as tall as I expected it to be. Just keep plugging away. Well, it's been 16 days since I last checked my corn. Hey, Blue, you okay? And I'm gonna walk in here just, what is that, 2 days, over 2 weeks, right? So it looks really good. We just had a little shot of rain. Stopped me from cutting barley, but gosh, I gotta hold my camera up high so you can see the field. Just gonna walk in here. This is the same spot, exact same spot I walked in, 16 days ago. So I am in. I gotta duck down so you can see the rows, but I'll show you here. I'll turn the camera around. So I'm standing in here. I'm not kneeling by no means. You can see down my feet, but just if I hold the plant up, I'm 6 feet tall, so the corn is between 5 and 6 feet tall, I suppose you could say. Beautiful, beautiful. I like it. Turn you around here. I'll lift my phone up for my camera here. So yeah, can't complain. Let's get out of here and then I can talk to you some more. It is tall. Hey, Blue? I'm happy with that. It's really growing fast. All our crops look good. Everybody's crops around us, all our neighbors, all the crops look really nice. What a difference from last year in our drought. But isn't it crazy? All the crops look good. I'm cutting our barley. I don't know if it's going to do more than 3 bales an acre. Our hay, did, the best was 2. I think it's just we had such a drought last year that even though we had rain this spring, May and June, it's not as good as I expected. But it's still way better than last year. So we're still thankful for that. Well, we're back in the field, baling barley, the hay barley. It's doing pretty good. Got quite a few bales here. The windrows look nice. Hard to say what we're going to end up with here, but this probably is the worst field of barley that I've cut so far. Meaning it was the thinnest, or I shouldn't say thinnest. It was probably the shortest. It was thick, it's just that it was shorter. So I got my wife raking for me again today. You can see here the bales so far on this side of the field. There's quite a few of them. And she's probably, I don't know, half done or maybe a hair more than half done on this field. And then I think we got one more to go to after this. But I'll let you know here what we end up with on this field when we're done. I must have a friend here. Darn coyote. He's been with me Gosh, he's been with me a lot. He must like this tractor or me or what, I don't know, but he's still hanging around. Yeah, silly boy. Well, we finished another 50 acres of barley, hay barley, got her rolled up, 2.5 bales an acre. So I guess we'll take it. I was hoping for 3. Maybe I'll get 3 yet this year, but 2.5's better than nothing. Thanks for tuning in. See you later. So that's what 200 bales looks like on 61 acres. Much better. We'll take her. Well, it's out. Oh. Let the show begin, I guess. Start getting ready for that now. Night night. Sleep tight.